Today our book is 6 New Countdown second edition, and today we can start our new exercise, which is exercise number 4. I have to tell you that I have completed my question number 9 in my previous video of exercise number 3b. I didn't done question number 10 because the question number 10 is the continuity of question number 8 and 9. If you want that I have to solve the question number 11, sorry, I have done question number 9 and 10. If you want that I have to solve question number 11, you must tell me in comment box. If you don't understand how to solve the question number 11, is just like question number 9 and 10. If you want that I have to solve it, or you don't understand how to solve it, then tell me, I can teach you. Today our exercise is 4a. Now let's start our exercise. 4a, question number 1, find the prime factor of the following. Prime factor, we have done prime factors in class 5 and also something in class 4 and mostly in class 5. So let's start it over today's lecture. Exercise 4a, question number is 1, find prime factors. They have given us some values, so we have to find their prime factors. Prime factor means that we have to take the LCM of these numbers. First of all, the number is 360. Try to take the smallest table. We can say that this 360 comes in a table of 2 because there is a 0. If we can add a 10, it also comes in a table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 1 goes on carry, it changes into 16, 2 8s are 16 and 0 remains, 2 zeros are 0. Now also 18 comes in a table of 2, 2 9s are 18, 2 zeros are 0. Now next 2 4s are 8, 1 is on carry, it changes into 10 and 2 5s are 10. Now 45. If we can see 45, the value which comes in our mind, that 45 come in a table of 5. Okay. But there is some other thing that we have to do, that 45 doesn't come in a table of 5. It also comes in a table of 3. As I can tell you that we have tried to get small and smaller table. 3 ones are 3, 1 is on carry, it changes into a 15, 3 5s are 15 and also 3 5s are 15. So this is its answer. Now move it towards its part number 2, which is 663. If we can see 663, the first value or first digit which comes in our mind, the tables on which tables they go is table of 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. Now it is 221. Okay, it is 221. It doesn't come in a table of 2, 3, not in 4, because 1 changed into an 11. So we can say that they come in a bigger table. So the bigger table is 13 17s are 221 and then 17 ones are 70. Now its part number 3 is 5184. 5184. Now 5184 is also, if we can see it, we can say that yes, 5 comes 1 carry, 4 comes in a table of 2. So we can first take a table of 2, but it is a long LCM, so we can take it right there. 5184. 2 2s are 4, 1 is on carry, 2 5s are 10, 1 also carry, 2 9s are 18 and 2 2s are 4. Now there is a last digit is 2, which is a prime number, so we have to take a prime number. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, 2 9s are 18, 1 is carry, 2 6s are 12. The last digit is prime number, so we can also take a number or a table of prime number. 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 1 is on carry, 2 8s are 16. Now prime, also prime. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Now last digit is also prime. 2 1s are 2, 1 is on carry, 12. It changed into a 12. 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4. The last digit is also prime. 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2. The last digit is not prime, it is an even. So we have to see that the even number comes in a table of even and prime in the table of prime. 2 not in a 2 is an even number, or 3 2s are 6, 7 8. 2 is on carry, 21. 3 8s are 3 7s are 21. Now 3 7s are, or 3 9s are, 3 7s are 21, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, and 3 1s are 3. So it is the LCM of 5184. Now our next LCM or next value is 27830. It is 4. I cannot solve it because this is your task that you have to solve it. This is your task. You have to solve this question. If you don't solve it, or you don't understand how to solve it, you must tell me. I will teach you that how to solve this question in my next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz, take care of yourself.